back to my channel. I'm Prachi from Nails with Prachi, and thank you for watching and selecting to watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. So today I have a very special video for you. This is all about nail polish basics. So are you a first time buyer or are you thinking about buying your first polish? Which one should it be? So today's video is all about those who are just getting into nail polish. So let's begin the video with the 5 types of polishes that every starter must buy. So the first one is a classic nude polish. Now a lot of people do not prefer nudes because it's too basic, but I'd say it's a perfect line between formal and polished. So I'd say every person should have at least one nude polish that suits them. I have 3 nude shades that I really like on my nails. First of them is in the shade Camouflage. It is by Sally Hansen. It is a very pretty nude. It looks like an extension of your skin and it's very elegant but polished at the same time. These two are from De Belle Lacquer. Now this one is in the shade Victorian Beige and this one is in the shade Chocolate. These both, as you can clearly see in the screen, are a shade apart, but both of these look really good on my nails, and they are a really pretty shade of. The second shade of polish that I feel that every person must have is a colored shade. Now what color you want depends on you. Most people like to go for pinks, so maybe something like this. This is UV gel, non-UV gel in the shade Rough Pink, or something like a little fancier. If you want to go, then you could go with red. This is Gorgeous Cosmos Scarlet. Both of these shades are really pretty. You could also go for other colors like UV gel, non-UV gel has this really pretty blue in the shade Berry Blue and this really beautiful green in the shade Emerald Green. So both of these, one color polish I think is essential for everyone. If you want to go a little fancier with the colored polish, you could choose something like this. This is the Nykaa Cookie Crumble in the color Jam Tart. This is a pink polish but it has freckles, so you don't really need nail art. So with the colored polish, maybe you could play around a bit. The third category is the blacks and the whites. So I feel every person should have at least one, either black or white depending on whatever your preferences are, whatever you like more. If you are someone who likes white or more like a French manicure, then maybe you could choose a white shade. If you like designs or if you like black shade more, then you could go for black shades. So this is the Casca Cosmetics white that I have. It's a really pretty white. Or in white also you could go a little more towards cream. So this is the Nykaa Pina Colada. This is a little bit of a cream color. It is not a pure white like the Casca one. And black. Oh my god, trust me, you can never have enough blacks. I have like 4 black bottles here and they are of the same brand. They are all from Nail Trends and these polishes are the best for starters. For anyone who's starting out, I'd suggest at least buy one black or white polish. The fourth category. Now the fourth category is silver or gold. Again, depending on your preferences, depending on what you like, either you could go for one, say gold polish or rose gold, or you could go for a silver polish. Now Reliance Nail Trends again has both of these. These are a great starter polish because these are only for I think 25 rupees or 30 rupees, which is really affordable. But it's a great deal and either I think a silver or a gold is good enough. Now the fifth category of nail polish, and I really love this. Okay, so the fifth category of nail polish is every starter must buy at least one glitter polish. So you know, everyday nails get boring, and if you want to just pump it up for maybe like an event or a wedding, you could just use your regular polish. the colored polish or even the nude polish, whatever floats your boat, and apply a really pretty glitter polish on it. So this one is from Kuroko World. It's a really pretty green glitter polish. If you want to go for a more neutral side, you could buy this from Nail Trends again. It's in the shade Snowflake, and it is another beautiful polish. It is just like a top coat, a glitter top coat. You can apply it on anywhere. You can sponge it on if you want more glitter. You can use it depending on your taste. If you want a little subtle, you can just apply it. If you want a lot of glitter, you can sponge it on and you can build the coverage. And this is the third one, which is from LA Colors. This is in the mini set. It has small white and black and hexagonal shaped glitters, and also has like golden flaky. So this is also a great compliment, you know, just to jazz up your regular nail polishes a bit. And so these are the 5 nail polishes that I think every starter must have. There are hollow polishes, there are matte polishes, there are sugar polishes, there are a lot of polishes and if you want to know more about them, I have a video linked here. I hope you guys liked that video. If you did, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know which polish you think is perfect, or if you think that starters should have any more polishes, do mention that in the comment section below as well. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified the next time I post. See you next Wednesday. Bye bye.